Okay, grade 7s, we're going to do some examples here where you're trying to find the circumference for circles, okay? So the first step, like always, is always to recognize and remember what our formula is. And in the case of circumference, it is circumference is equal to pi multiplied by the diameter, or in this case, pi times d. Okay, so remembering that for our value for pi, we're going to use 3.14. Okay, now if you do have a graphing calculator or a calculator and you choose to use the pi button, just remember that that value is going to be more accurate. But for the purposes of our grade 7 math curriculum, 3.14 is common to be used. Okay, so now we just go ahead and replace our letters or our variables with the information that we know. We see here in this circle, it has a diameter. Once again, a diameter is going all the way across a circle, going through the center point of 9 centimeters. So we will go circumference is equal to pi 3.14 multiplied by the diameter. Okay, so when we discovered that that diameter is in fact 9 centimeters. So we can go ahead and multiply those two. I'll just bring up my calculator here and we'll just multiply that. 3.14 multiplied by 9 is going to be 28.26. 28.26 centimeters. Okay, because that's going all the way around the circumference. Okay, and we could round that to the nearest tenth if that's what's being asked of us. 28 decimal, well, this is our clue number. This is the one that's going to stay the same or change. Because this clue number is above 5, that means this one will go up, which leaves us at 28.3 centimeters for this circle circumference. Okay, we'll do another example here. Okay, we've got a circle and it says find the circumference of this circle. And we'll just again write our first step is write the formula. Circumference equals pi times diameter. We'll replace what we know. Circumference is equal to 3.14 times the diameter. But wait a second, what are we given here? Well, we're not given the diameter, we're given the radius. Okay, radius being from the center to one end of the circle. Okay, so it's half the diameter. So we already know that the diameter is 2 times the radius. So we just have to double this radius measurement, so 3.5 multiplied by 2, or double it, would be 7. Okay, so then we'll go ahead and we can bring up our calculator and we'll go 3.14 multiplied by 7 gives us the measurement of 21.98 centimeters. Okay. Now in this case, if we were to round up to the nearest tenth, well, this is our clue number. This is the one that's going to change or go up. Because this number is above 5, this clue number would go to 10, which actually changes this guy. So to round to the nearest tenth would be 22 centimeters for this circle's circumference.